वेलकम टू विद्या भारती ई पाठशाला महाराष्ट्र. Video presentation of Mathematics Part 2 of Class 10. Topic is Similarity. Video number 2. In the first video, you have studied the ratio of areas of two triangles. In this video, we are going to study basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem statement is, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle and intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. To prove this theorem, first we draw the diagram. Draw triangle ABC. Line L is parallel to side BC. Line L intersects side AB in point P and line L intersects side AC in point Q. Then to prove AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. Construction is, here we need to draw segment PC and segment BQ. Proof. Observe the first figure. Observe the shaded portion, that is triangle APQ and triangle PQB. Here these two triangles have the base along the same line, that is AB, and they have the common vertex, that is point Q, and therefore triangle APQ and triangle PQB have equal heights, and therefore area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB equal to ratio of their bases, that is AP upon PB. Number this as 1. Now observe the second figure and the shaded portion, triangle APQ and triangle PQC. These two triangles have the base along the same line, that is along AC, and they have the common vertex, that is the point P, and therefore triangle APQ and triangle PQC have equal heights. Therefore area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC equals to ratio of their bases, equal to AQ upon QC. Number this as 2. Now observe the triangle ABC. Here triangle PQB and triangle PQC. These two triangles have the common base, which is segment PQ. Also, segment PQ parallel to segment BC, and therefore triangle PQB and triangle PQC, they have equal heights. Thus triangle PQB and triangle PQC have the same height and same base, and therefore their area is the same. Area of triangle PQB equal to area of triangle PQC. Number this as 3. Now from 1, 2 and 3 we write area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB equal to area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC. Then from 1 and 2, substituting the value of the ratios. Area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. In this way, we prove the basic proportionality theorem. Now the converse of basic proportionality theorem. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Now this statement is written as line L intersects the side AB and side AC of triangle ABC in the points P and Q respectively, and AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. These two ratios are equal. Then we say that line L is parallel to side BC. Now using the basic proportionality theorem and its converse, we solve some examples. Now the example number 1. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. If DB is equal to 5.4 centimeter, AD is equal to 1.8 centimeter, EC equal to 7.2 centimeter, then find AE. Now the solution. In triangle ABC, it is given that segment DE is parallel to segment BC, and hence by using the basic proportionality theorem, we have AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Then substituting the given values, we have 1.8 upon 5.4 is equal to AE upon 7.2. By cross multiplication, we get AE into 5.4 is equal to 1.8 into 7.2. Therefore, AE is equal to 1.8 into 7.2 upon 5.4. Now simplify this and we get the answer 2.4 centimeter. Thus, AE is equal to 2.4 centimeter. The next example is in triangle PQR, PM is equal to 15, PQ is equal to 25, PR is equal to 20, and R is equal to 8. Prove that line NM is parallel to side RQ. First we write the given things, that is PM is equal to 15, PQ is equal to 25, PR is equal to 20 and NR is equal to 8. Here we use the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now first to find MQ. PQ is written as PM plus MQ is equal to PQ. Therefore 15 plus MQ is equal to 25. MQ is equal to 25 minus 15 and therefore MQ is equal to 10. Similarly, Pn plus Nr is equal to Pr. That is, Pn plus 8 is equal to 20. Therefore, Pn is equal to 20 minus 8. Therefore, Pn is equal to 12. Thus, here first we find Mq is equal to 10 and Pn is equal to 12. Now find the ratio Pn upon Nr and Pm upon Mq. Pn upon Nr is equal to 12 upon 8 is equal to 3 by 2. Number this as 1 and Pm upon Mq is equal to 15 upon 10 is equal to 3 upon 2. Number this as 2. Now from 1 and 2 we write in triangle PQR Pn upon Nr is equal to Pm upon Mq, and hence by converse of basic proportionality theorem, line NM is parallel to side RQ. In this way, you have studied basic proportionality theorem and how to solve the examples. Thank you.